Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a UK format CV, a crucial document for your job search. We'll cover the essential components that recruiters expect to see. A UK CV acts as your personal marketing tool, designed to get you that all-important interview. It typically spans 2 pages, though one page is perfectly fine for those with less experience. Remember to omit personal details like a photograph or your date of birth, as these are generally not required in the UK. Now, let's dive into crafting the core sections of your UK CV. Begin with your contact information, ensuring your full name, phone number, and a professional email are clearly visible. Next, write a compelling personal statement, a brief paragraph of around 4 to 5 sentences, summarizing your strengths and career aspirations. For your work experience, list roles in reverse chronological order, detailing your responsibilities and achievements. Similarly, present your education, starting with your most recent qualifications and institutions. To make your CV truly stand out, focus on your skills and achievements. Include a dedicated section for your key skills, showcasing a mix of hard and soft abilities relevant to the role. Crucially, quantify your achievements in your work experience section. Use numbers, percentages, or specific figures to demonstrate your impact. For a professional look, choose a clear font like Arial or Calibri with a font size of 10 to 12 points, and use bullet points to present information concisely. Before submitting your CV, a thorough review is essential. Always proofread carefully for any spelling or grammatical errors, as these can significantly detract from your professionalism. Remember to tailor your CV for each job application, incorporating keywords from the job description to show your relevance. Avoid common pitfalls like generic statements or unexplained gaps in your employment history. Finally, save your completed CV as a PDF to preserve its formatting and ensure it looks consistent on any device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.